Unmanned helicopters may seem like a thing of the future, but on Fort Benning, the future is closer than you think, as the Georgia Tech Research Institute demonstrated the advancements to their unmanned aerial vehicles.
Some of the advantages that we have are being able to actually go longer distance and actually longer flight times actually up in the air. Also, the cameras that we use are actually improving. They give us better capability to see actually on the ground at higher altitudes. And also with the pinpoint accuracy, we can actually get more accurate grids to the location that we're looking at.
Systems tested during this experiment were GPS, lasers, and camera systems that will advance capabilities when it comes to collision avoidance at low altitude, high-speed flight operations in an urban setting, where they must avoid obstacles like buildings, wires, and vegetation.
If you can get a small one in a very tight area, you can get somewhere where you cannot get with a manned helicopter today. And furthermore, you do so without risking the human pilot on there.
Improving soldier capabilities while increasing survivability is an essential aspect of the partnership between the Army and industry, keeping soldiers on the cutting edge of technology. Engineers from GTRI hope one day to make it possible for these unmanned systems to resupply soldiers behind enemy lines. And this is where helicopters come in handy with their hover capabilities without a need for a landing strip.
So we've been doing research in sling loads, so basically carrying a sling load below a helicopter. That's a very common application of a manned helicopter, but it has to be done very gently and flown in a very conservative way. And we're working on guidance systems to allow the helicopter to be flown much more aggressively with a sling load.
As improvements progress in the evolution of unmanned aviation, Georgia Tech engineers will continue to work with the Fort Benning Maneuver Battle Lab to assess and further develop these capabilities. Melissa Bell, Fort Benning TV.